I think that Angelo mentioned that newcomers need to stay away from Haley because she will, kidnap them. And they said, okay, you train with me, boy. And that is what happened. Santiago came there.
Guy said that too. He said he showed up and she just fucking mashed him.
It was like 5 strength session in the morning, 3 workouts in the morning, and Haley is, she can manage that volume. She's extraordinary, more than extraordinary to my eyes. She's perfection to my eyes. But so Santiago was trying to cope with that, and he came back to Argentina because he's living there now, and then said, they started talking and discussing about his experience and the whys and the why Haley does that. And there's a moment, funny moment. He's going to hate me for me saying it, but there's a moment they were training kind of a relays. Haley was with Tasha and Santiago was with John, and they were doing relays, right? And at a moment, they kind of met each other together, starting at the same time, Haley and Santiago. And when that round ended, which was in the middle of the workout, and they have a rest time, Haley says, hey, boy, don't try to catch me. Don't try to do anything you cannot sustain. We have still 5 rounds. So go and the fact is a girl like Haley, 21 years old, and you see very shy as she is, but she said it with a lot of love, saying like, calm down. This is not what you should be doing now, probably. Maybe later if you can, if you still have something to bet on that.